different level. Man, I got this shit out the muscle. Whole time I was running with no plan. I was going through the child tribulations as a man. I let them do all the talking, don't care about what they saying. I'm high as fuck, I don't know, I'm finna land. I got a bitch that's trying to get inside my pants. I can't trust some of your hands. We live in a world where you even gotta watch your mans. Turned double beam, got me spinning in my head. This bitch is 6, but off the judge, she a 10. Can't trust nobody, feel like everybody out for revenge. I kept it real, but to the judge I lie again. I know it's a judge, but when I'm sober it makes sense. I see the fake shit from the real. See class, you cross the line, you can stay your ass over there. Let's fuck with them niggas saying. I've been about my money lately. Been up for 3 days straight and I can't sleep. I went to Cali and Miami the same week. I've been ballin' like I'm playing in the league. All niggas try to tell me I'ma put us on my weed. Then we skirt up from this